My name is Atune Charles, a student at MUST, and I'm pleased to be part of the Digital Innovation Internship program. Over the past week, we have learned about graphic design. Before joining this program, I had little knowledge about digital tools and design tools, but now I can confidently design my own and create my own digital innovation. The digital environment is supportive, and every session gives us hands-on best experience. And I'm grateful for this opportunity to be with EYIT, and I really look forward to learn more about digital innovation and creativity. A vote of thanks to EYIT team for providing hands-on best experience and an opportunity to learn more skills in the digital world. I also encourage my fellow youth to take up these EYIT programs, and they open doors in the digital world and to so many opportunities. Attorney Charles, empowering youth in technology.